just like that. Oh! So this is what we got going on today. We got the Italian Tesla, the Italian Stallion. We got the Italian Stallion that we're working on. But seriously, this is gonna be a livery. This is gonna be a livery. There's gonna be a lot of decals that are gonna go on after we get done with the wrap. Once that goes on, this thing is gonna look completely ridiculous. So y'all stay tuned and watch us do our thing. Golly, what are you doing with this vinyl? See that? Tech wrap. Gotta hate it.
I've been sleepy as hell the past 2-3 days. And I ain't even been staying up.
You still stripping tonight?
You been wearing me out in here.
Quit that.
Yeah, I don't work at Chippendale anymore.
You doing house parties?
Private. Jump out the cake occasionally. I'm the only one that can fit inside the cake.
No, Dwayne does that too.
Dwayne eats his way out the cake.
Dwayne be eating the cake. Dwayne be eating cake, y'all.
Come out wearing a diaper.
Butt muncher.
Look at that. Why is this doing this? Cut the camera. 5 minutes now. I've literally been fighting with this one area for 30 minutes. And the cap was on it the whole time. Even the owner makes mistakes sometimes. Very rare. So make sure he's got his cap on.
Oh, whoa, Lord.
Yes.
There goes Dwayne Jr.
We got Pete and repeat.
Just look at it. I feel like trying to make it fit.
Can you make the stroke just a little bit thicker on the Hemi? Go back.
Where's she to?
Which you only wish.
He over here giving me hell.
How did we forget? Yeah, probably.
Don't put a we in there.
No, it was me and your dad.
Oh, he's old and senile. Don't put him in there.
Old and what?
Senile.
Oh, he's taking his belt off now. I apologize, Tech Rap, for every bad thing I've said about you. Tech Rap Vicky, that goes for you too. I know I called you out your name, said some horrible things, but I take it all back.
It wasn't true.
You are not a whore. You are not a scallywag or a skank. Pretty sure I called you all those. But Tech Rap, you're okay in my book.
Oh my God, I get paid on the spot.
Figured, man. Shut up.
What?
Okay, hold it. It's Dwayne.
It's like he's never seen someone's offspring before.
Nope, not just like
Why
that.
do they look so alike? I still can't believe. Like, that's such a rookie mistake.
That's something
You know
I
what
do.
you know what you could pass it up to? Old age.
I'd like to just say I was stupid on that one.
You have my permission. Just pop the shit out of the back of your head.
I've been hitting the back of the head with a 2x4. Hey,
Well, that explains a lot. Do you? Yeah, you do. Wait a minute, what? Yeah, you do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a close
Okay.
right there.
You know what you're doing.
I don't.
Yeah, it's pretty difficult. Pain in the ass for sure. But it's alright. They leave the hardest jobs for the best guy. Always remember that shit.
It's too big.
Yes, it is. Damn it.
Measure twice.
I could measure twice. The car wasn't here.
Cut 7 times. That's how we do it here. We measure once and cut 7 times.
And it's still too short.
It's the infinite Rat's way. We can just make it a him.
How about a...
No. Did you even measure it before?
Yeah, please.
You measured it in what? Inches or centimeters?
That man a beast.
Millimeters.
Millimeters? Well, there's your problem right there. You need more? You sure?
Hold it right there.
So we're coming to an end today. It's about to be 5 o'clock. The guys are about to leave. We're still working on the Tesla. We got the majority of all the color put on the car. Still got some decals to do. Probably going to go ahead and knock this out, finish everything up on Monday, let the customer pick it up. As you can see how busy it is, we just have random people pulling up, you know, wanting some a hood wrap or decals. So it's always a busy and interesting day here, and we hope that you enjoyed it and you continue to follow along with us and watch us grow. Until next time.
Thank you.
They go like,
She
yeah,
come
right.
in here and
Yeah.
do the smallest thing to each car just so she can say,
I
I'll help wrap it.
I wrapped that.
No, not me.
So when I see it on the street, I can really say, we wrapped that. Look, I did that. Honey.
Chris.
Oh my God.